quick demo showing powered SSD running from a hub using the joint here where the mini USB comes in here, Tesla, and then we just join that up with the appropriate jack and back into there. So you provide the mini USB back into there, which then goes back into those two sockets. So those two sockets will still be live and powered off of the internal power supply, but this SSD works off of this powered hub. So I'm just pulling the 5 volts from here, just a quick 12 volt to 5 volt converter, and taking from my normal 12 volt joint, which then comes up there. So when I unplug the SSD, just to prove it out, unplug or turn off the SSD. Yep, I know it's not ideal, but obviously that goes away, right? So it does work. That although it's not powered, if you put a powered hub in the middle of it, then you can use it. So you can hide whatever you need to do in there. And now I'm thinking about running these two extras down to the back, but we'll see.